How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall I begin the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini and I'll be taking your IELTS interview today. And we'll begin with the introductory part first. So tell me your full name.
My full name is Swati Gartan.
And how may I call you?
You can call me Swati as my first name.
Swati, can I see your ID?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Okay, Swati, thank you. Swati, are you a student or you work?
I'm a student. I just passed out my 12th class from HBS. But
Okay.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Prince Narwal. I am studying in your English Teacher Institute. When I took admission in this institute, at that time my communication skills were very poor. After 2 months, I improved my communication skill along with my confidence level, and then I can speak English very easily now. Thank you.
Now I'll ask you some questions about money. So do you have any financial limitations?
yes, I belong to a middle class family and I have some limitation regarding the money. And in fact, I always make a list before buying something.
Okay. Do you consider yourself extravagant?
No, I do not consider myself as an extravagant because I know the value of money, and in fact, I always try to use money according to the financial limitation so that I cannot waste money in a negative way.
So where do you spend most of your money?
I spend a large amount of my money on my study because I have to study a lot, and in fact now I decided to go abroad for my further education, so I will have to pay extra money for that. And in fact now I am enhancing my English communication skill, which also consume a lot of money.
How would lack of money affect your life now?
It do not affect my life, but yes, it impacted to some extent because definitely to go abroad consume and take a large amount of money, which is not easy for every parent to pay at a time. So yes, it also impacts our financial status.
Do you save some money that you receive from your parents?
Yes, I always try to save money because I can use it in a efficient way.
For example, like when do you use this money that you save?
For example, my mother always gave me money for fares. Then definitely I save the money from fares and try to use it in eating food from the restaurant, and moreover purchase something new clothes.
Does pocket full of money affect your level of happiness?
No, it never impact a lot, but to some extent it matter, because if I have enough money to buy something or to pursue my education, then definitely I feel more happy than the situation.
Now I'll ask you some questions about challenges, right? So how do you see challenges or difficulties in life?
I always see challenges and difficulty in a positive way because it gives me motivation to do something new. If we have nothing to do something new, then definitely we cannot learn more in our life.
So what challenges have you successfully tackled in past?
As I already mentioned that I completed my 12th class from HBSC board, and it was a very difficult task for me to achieve good score in my 12th class. In fact, I scored well in my 10th and 12th as well, such as 85% in 10th and 91% in 12th.
So what is the biggest challenge of your life now at this moment?
The biggest challenge of my life is to learn English, because it was a very difficult for me because I taught from the HBSC board. There is no communication in English more, so I have to face a lot of difficulties, and in fact I am facing now regarding English.
So what are you doing to tackle this challenge?
Obviously I learned the rules of grammar, and in fact I communicate more and more in English, if whether I am at home or at the center.
Does your family support you at the time of difficulties?
Yes, my parents always help me through my thick and thin because they know I am a good children, and in fact I am more dedicated towards my work.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2, which is cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a famous person whom you would like to meet. Who he she is, which qualities he she possess, why you want to meet him or her, explain why you like him or her.
Myself Anurag, I have passed my 12th examination last year, and I'm pursuing IELTS from your English teacher. The decorum and the ambience of your English teacher is very nice, and the teacher are much supportive to all the students, and they teach in a very unique way. And also you can also take online support and from your English teacher website, and you can also take online courses from there.
Okay, Swati, speaker.
Although there are a lot of persons and famous personalities in our society that I want to meet, but now here I would like to talk about Prabhas. He's a Telugu actor, and he started his career in a good age, just as 25 around, and he possesses a lot of qualities. He is a drop dead gorgeous in his looking, and in fact he has also a heart of gold, and moreover he is fabulous dancing, and he is good in acting as well. I want to meet him because I like him very much, and I got to know about him when he released his movie Bahubali, The Beginning. Till then, I also came to know that his statue in the Bangkok as well. And in earlier age, he wanted to become a businessman, but his paternal uncle suggested him to try his hand in the acting. So he tried to do as well. And when he tried, he devoted his time to the acting. And in fact I am very interested to meet him because he spent his 5 years just making his movie Bahubali, and in these years he did not do anything, just as he did not do marriage, and in fact he did not involve in any other movies. So he was totally indulged in his work, and he showed his dedication toward his work. So that's why I want to meet him. And in fact he was the only actor who his gross over 10,000 crore, which was not possible for every actors.
Okay, let's move on to part 3, which is follow-up section. Do you think that becoming famous is difficult?
Yes, becoming famous is very difficult because it requires a lot of hard work and sometimes sleepless night. But if someone have a more talent or skill than a common person, then they can become famous easily.
What sort of activities people do nowadays to become famous?
There are a lot of activities people are doing nowadays, just as they are making videos and upload it on YouTube and other sites.
What advantages do famous people have over ordinary people?
They have a lot of advantages than a common person. They can earn a huge amount of money in just a second. If in fact they upload one pic on the social website, they can earn a huge amount from them.
Does fame bring arrogance in people?
No, sometimes it take arrogance, but it depends on people, which type of nature he possesses.
Do you see any correlation between fame and money?
Yes, they are interconnected, because if any people are famous, then they can easily earn money, and if any people have enough money, such as a lot of a huge amount of money, then they can give that money to the charity and they can become famous.
Okay, Swati, this is the end of your speaking test, and let's come to the feedback. It is clearly visible that you have worked really hard on your grammar and your lexical resources, and yes, compared to previous attempts, you have improved a lot. You are more comfortable now. If I give you the assessment on those four parameters, then yes, there is scope of improvement in grammar still. You need to improve in that manner, like GRA. And lexical resources, you have exhibit a variety of lexical resources in your entire interview, but sometimes they were not precisely suitable in the situation, so you can work on this aspect. Your pronunciation of certain words, especially the word English, is not always correct. Like you say English, so that s sound is there, and it should be corrected. Like it should be sh, not s sound. So you should work on that. And for some other words as well, your pronunciation is not up to the mark. And the main thing, fluency and coherence. Yes, you are fluent. It is a nice thing that despite your grammatical mistakes and your pronunciation inability, you speak continuously. You tend to speak a lot, but as a whole, there is a scope of improvement. You can still be better in perfect communication, but you are communicating better than before. And if I have to give you the band score, it's around 6.5 band, and it can be better if you work in these 4 areas. And you're doing good, and keep doing good. Best of luck for next time. Okay, Swati?
Thank you.